Latest Digital Marketing Manager Interview Questions and Answers 2024. Marketing industries have a crucial role in coming up with creative ideas to help a brand, product, or service become marketable. Whatever the situation may be, the marketing industry has to look for platforms.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Forms that will allow them to expand their reach. The scope for a career in digital marketing is also increasing, and the career prospects in the realm of digital marketing manager interview questions are also on the rise. Digital marketing is a sector that is projected to grow exponentially in the coming years in the field of marketing. Many organizations, irrespective of their size, are looking for digital marketing managers and professionals to expand their marketing territory across boundaries and geographies. Presently, digital marketing is the choice of creative mass. However, with the increase in various online platforms like shopping websites, online study portals, and social media platforms, demand for digital marketing managers has increased proportionately. Candidates can gain insights from the lists of digital marketing manager interview questions for experienced or freshers with the best answers. List of commonly asked digital marketing manager interview questions and answers. How to efficiently get ready for the entire subject. We have put together a compilation of interview questions to ask a digital marketing manager that can help you swiftly prepare for your upcoming interview. The lists of most commonly asked digital marketing manager interview questions and answers, along with the best digital marketing books, are discussed for freshers or professionals, definitely boosting up studies to get hired easily in the top companies. Basic Digital Marketing Manager Interview Questions and Answers. 1. What is this digital marketing? Digital marketing can be defined as a source or tactic used for marketing any type of brand through online channels like fashion websites, blogs, articles, and various social media platforms. 2. Discuss the different types of digital marketing. Get various aspects of digital marketing, and some of the popular aspects of digital marketing are: search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, marketing via e-commerce, search engine marketing, SEM, social media marketing. All these techniques of digital marketing are booming sales of various brands and products in the market. To become a successful digital marketing manager, you will have to learn all these techniques with full clarity. 3. In what ways will you apply to increase the traffic to your website? There are many ways by which you can easily increase the traffic to your website and expand your reach across geography. Some of the most efficient ways to increase the traffic of a website are: investing in paid search, contributing to display advertising, taking the help of content marketing, preparing and writing short headlines, finding different types of search engine optimization activities and methods, working with content optimization, by aiming at long-tail keywords, by using the method of guest blogging, by internally linking, investing in email marketing, posting content on popular social media websites. 4. What is SEO? SEO is an acronym used for search engine optimization. Search engine optimization can be defined as a process that enhances website traffic, both quantitatively and qualitatively. 5. How would you explain keywords in the digital market? What is the importance of keywords in SEO? The keyword can be defined as the most quintessential and elementary component of search engine optimization. Users can use the keyword to search for any product or service on the internet through a search engine. 6. Name the key areas where a digital marketing manager can use keywords to optimize the site ranking. There are major key areas where Digital Marketing Manager can optimize the site ranking for any website. However, a digital marketing manager has to use different types of keywords to increase a website's ranking as given below. They can use the website title. They can also use a website URL. They can use the meta tag. They can use body text. They can use headlines. They can use web page content. These are some of the critical and crucial keywords that can be used by a digital marketing manager to optimize the website ranking for any website owner. Advanced Digital Marketing Manager interview questions and answers. 7. Differentiate between on-page and off-page. On-page optimization can be defined as effective that a digital marketing manager can utilize to increase his website's traffic. Major components of on-page optimization are meta description tag, URL structure, internal links, alt tags with optimized image, content of high quality, well-maintained title of a page.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.